Hi friend, good evening. Today I will quickly update about the Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty trading strategy. Today we have earned a 3,150 per lot profit after two consecutive losses. I am talking about trading with this Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, the entire strategy I actually describe in this ebook. The free ebook you can download in the description link. In the descriptions I have given the link. Now I also want to show you quickly the performance of this strategy. As you can see, all those red are actually marked losses. There were so many losses also. As always in a strategy, we cannot have escape from these losses. I mark these red losses bright so that you can have a overall idea what a strategy can do for you. Despite, as you can see, consecutive losses of 3 or consecutive losses of 2 is quite normal. Sometimes we consecutively win also in 4 or 5 times, or sometimes 2 times or 3 times, like this. Overall, in this year this strategy has generated for us almost 2,807 net point, that is 2,10,585 if you trade with one lot. As you can see, there was a 36 profitable trade and losing trade was 21. The success ratio is 62% and the risk reward ratio is 2.63. The whole strategy I have described here. I have mentioned here a couple of chart example how you can operate this strategy based on this Excel sheet. Now I will show you how you have to do it. Now in this Excel sheet, you have to enter the data one day before. That means to find next day opportunity, whether there is a next day jackpot opportunity or not, you have to enter the data of today. So today was Monday, and for trading today, we had entered the data of the Friday. I will show you exactly what you have to do. So now let me open the chart. This is the Nifty future chart. And now we have to enter the data of the Friday. So idea is that once I will enter the data of the first 15-minute candle, remember you have to enter the data first 15-minute candle, second 15-minute candle and last 15-minute candle over here. If you find this, which is now as no prior next day, change to yes. As it's mentioned here, is tomorrow is a Power Lantern jackpot opportunity. If it comes yes after entering the data, the next day you have opportunity. And next day what you have to do, it is clearly mentioned, you have to trade based on the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. So you have to enter a long positions if the first 15-minute candle high is taken out with a stop loss below the low of the first 15-minute candle. If the first 15-minute candle low has taken out, then you will go in a short positions with the stop loss of the high of the day. Sorry, high of the 15-minute candle. Now I will show you exactly what was the indication last Friday. As I mentioned, the date I mentioned is 21st August because today is the 24th August and we have to enter the data previous day, last Friday's data, because today is a Monday. So last Friday first 15-minute candle, idea is that if we get a yes here, then we have a trade opportunity next on a breakout of first 15-minute candle. So high of the first candle was 11405 and the low 11374.6. Okay. The high of the next candle was 11410.75 and the low was 11398.05. I have entered the two set of data. Now I have to enter the last set of data, that is the last 15-minute high low. Now what is the last 15-minute high low? It was 11386.95 and the low was 11372.25. As you can see, as soon as I entered the all setup data, it turned to be yes. What is mentioned here? Is tomorrow is a power lantern jackpot opportunity? It says yes. If it says yes, then what to do? If sales, if 10 says yes, then trade on breakout of next day, first 15-minute candle. So what you have to do next day? Next day, simply you have to buy on a break of first 15-minute candle. So this is the first 15-minute candle of today. So high was 11438. So you have to put a buy order above 11439 and the low is 11410. So you have to put a stop loss at 11410. As you can see that the high was taken out and we have gone long with the stop loss below this candle, below this 11410. The stop loss is not taken out. As per the rule of this trade, we have to hold the trade. You have to hold the trade till market close. At 3 p.m. you will exit the trade. So at 3 p.m. what was the price? See, the close was 11482. So you will exit the trade at 11482. So your entry is, as it's mentioned here, the entry is 11439, that is the high of the first candle, and the exit was at 3 p.m. that is 11481. This is the 11482. We have exited at 11481. So we gain 42 points. That is 3150 after two consecutive losses. But see, with this, if we check the August performance only, then we have a sum of 13,000 profit in last 8 trades. So remember one fact, that as I highlighted all the losses for you, this is very common. Trading losses we cannot escape. There will be consecutive losses also. Just see this here. Here there was a 3 consecutive losses, 3 consecutive losses, 2 consecutive losses, then a series of profit, 2 consecutive losses, 2 profit, 2 losses, 2 profit, 1 losses, 2 profit, 2 losses, 2 profit, 1 losses, 3 profit, 1 losses, 1 profit, 1 losses, 1 profit, 2 consecutive losses, 4 consecutive profit. As you can understand what is the game trading is, you cannot escape these losses. These losses is part of the game, but despite of the fact, if your strategy has a tendency to give you a net positive return over a significant amount of trade, that means, see, we have 58 trades so far. In this 58 trade, you have gained 2,10,585. That was the opportunity. So my friend, if I have to tell you one thing, that you cannot have escape of losing trade. We have to go through the losing trade to win the game. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.